Good morning, 4B. Happy Friday. Let me walk you through with our slide for this Friday. All right. Some of you are already joining the Zoom, but hang on, guys. I'll be there soon. All right. Let me share it with you right now. So for today's slide, here we go. Of course, I prepared with you for you a little few riddles that you can enjoy with if you come quite early. And of course, whenever you guys are done with other things you need to do, you can visit this page. And then we're going to start our day with a little discussion about the activity that you had yesterday, which was about making a splash. So first 40 minutes from 8 is basically we'll discuss what you guys have made yesterday. And then after discussing that over Zoom, hopefully you guys can make it so we can have a very interactive discussion. After making a splash discussion, we are going to have a new topic in English, wherein we are going to learn different types of rhymes. And this page that you're seeing right now is for you to read before you proceed to the next page of the slide. And I hope you guys are following that procedure every day. And then when you read this poem, or when you have read this poem, you're going to fill in this table, the ones on the right. And of course, it's going to give you more information after filling in that table, then more information right there as a self-study. But of course, we will discuss that later as a class. The reason why you need to read this on your own for now, so that you will have a little idea. And if you haven't understood it totally, then every time you have this discussion, that's the time you're going to ask me something about what you have read from this slide. All right. So after learning all those little inputs, you will have this Venn diagram to work on. And after that, you will have 2 more pages for you to work on. So here comes the exit ticket after you've gone through all that. Then after English, you will be reviewing the spelling words yesterday. But this time you are not going to write the words, but I am challenging you to dive deeper by using the words in a sentence, so that I would know if you understood exactly how those words are or how we use those words. After spelling, we will have snacks time. After snacks time, we are going to have a new science experiment 5.2, wherein, of course, I will give you a copy of the experiment paper. I did have a good time reading your experiment paper 2 days ago, and I hope today, I hope you have received what I've checked and what you've known your score from the last experiment, so that you'll try to make sure that you're gonna receive better scores this time, all right? But most of you did amazing, so we're gonna keep that up, or definitely strive for better results. After science, we're gonna have a little brain break, and then after that, we are going to read chapter 2 or go through the questions that you have answered yesterday, right? Depending on our time, then we can move on reading chapter 3. But it seems that you guys did amazing since Tuesday. So I think if we have extra time, I'm gonna give you a little time to have free chat with your classmates. So hopefully everyone will turn in their work by 11:30, and yeah, and I think you will have your art class after lunch. So I'll see you in a bit on Zoom, and if you have questions and if you cannot be in Zoom, send me a message over Hangouts. I'll see you in a bit.